Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today, together we're going to show you how to easily create a nice and clear spreadsheet in Excel. It's going to be really easy, so let's do it. We're going to click on any cell in the spreadsheet. We'll go to the Home, which is located at the top of the bar. Click on the Format as Table button. Several options for formatting the table will be displayed. Select one option. A window will appear where we can check the range of data and if it contains all the cells we want to have included in the table. If everything is okay, we click on the OK button. Great, we have created the table. Let's move on. Filters were added to each column and the table was automatically formatted. We can change the appearance of the table at any time. Select the part of the table where we want to change the color or headings. Go to the Home tab. Click Cell Styles. We will see a gallery of table styles. Now we can choose a lighter, medium, or dark color. We can also change titles and headings. Okay, we've created a table. Next, we can sort the table, for example, alphabetically. Click on the arrow next to the name. This will display a table in which we have sorting options. We select the first option so that we can sort from A to Z. And there we have it, Excel has sorted the names for us from A to Z. One last thing before we finish. If we don't need the table anymore and want to go back to the original scope, we click on any cell in the table. We click on the Design tab. We click on Convert to Range. A window will appear. Click on Yes. This will remove the table, but retain all data and formatting. We are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to work with Excel quickly and really easily? If so, be sure to subscribe. That's it for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.